angle here. I'm gonna show you how to eat these MREs. They're MREs, meaning meals ready to eat. They are what soldiers used to use when they were back in war and stuff. And this is a chicken fajita, and it doesn't take long. And I'm gonna open it up and show y'all what's inside of it. It's got the chicken fajita. It has yellow and wild rice pilaf. Those are your two main entrees. This is your bag for when you need, if you're making drink or whatnot, hot beverage bag. This is some nut raisin mix, like for when you go on the trail, like kind of like a trail mix, crunch or whatever. I'm not going to open that because we're saving that for the trail. This is French vanilla cappuccino. That's what that bag I showed you a minute ago was, to heat that up. This is your heater to heat up your food, your main entrees. It's got a heater in there. All you do is fill it with water. And these are your tortillas. So what you're going to do first, and then this, you have some salt-free seasoning, 2 pieces of gum, little piece, some toilet paper, looks like a box of matches, maybe waterproof, looks like a handy wipe. On this side you got some spiced apple cider, and you can put that in the drink mix. Alright, moving on to, and also you have some, if you would like, some cheese spread for your tortillas. Alright, so what I'm going to do first is cook my chicken fajita. So, hang on. Alright. Give me a second here. This is the chicken fajita. It's in a bag. So what you're going to do is you're going to open up your bag. It tears it across. It tells you all the directions that you would need to know inside here. So what you're going to first do, put in your MRE, like so. Make sure the MRE slides over the heater, over the heater. Kind of gets stuck a little bit sometimes. Alright, and now you're going to fill it with water up to in between these two lines. So I'm going to fill it with water. It's easy to fill over the line, so just watch how much you put in there. Okay, a little bit more. There's a little drop more. Alright, a little bit more. And alright. Now you're going to fold it over and lean it up against something. I'm just going to use this water. And you have to put it back into the cardboard box because it gets very, very hot. and fold the flap over. Oh, excuse me. Oh, excuse me. Alright, in part 2, I will show you what the final product looks like and when you, how to take it out. It's camera in here. Bye.